what's up guys? I am super excited about today's video. It's another collaboration with the famous Mr. Easter Bunny. We're gonna be filling Easter eggs. I have kids in all age groups from teenager to toddlers. We're gonna be filling the eggs with things like balloons, tattoos, stickers, little toys we've collected over the year from garage sales, Goodwill outlet, and places like that. And I have a very special surprise in our golden eggs for the two older kids, Cameron and Ashlyn. They are getting $2 bills that I am going to fold in the shape of an origami crane. I am super excited about that. I think they're gonna love that. It's pretty fun and unique, and it's only $2. And some of Cameron's eggs, he will be getting some $15 GameStop gift card. And I have some really good tips as well for marking eggs if you have specific eggs that you want each child to get. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you and how grateful I am to have you as part of our YouTube family. I make videos about homemaking and basically anything mom life. If that's something you're into, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have all kinds of amazing videos planned this year that you're not gonna wanna miss. I will do my best to link everything I can in the description below. If there's something that I did not link and you're curious about, just leave a comment and I will either find a link for you or let you know where I got it. And if I have any tips on how to save money, I'll let you know that as well. Let's get started filling our Easter eggs.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes.
Here's a tip. If you have kids that can't read words yet, use shapes to mark your eggs as well as the child's name so that they can differentiate between whose egg is whose. If you have items that are either for a specific child in your egg hunt, or you want to make sure certain items are evenly distributed between all your children. Using shapes is a fun and easy way to make sure everybody understands the egg hunt. Cameron's shape is going to be a triangle, Ashlyn's shape is a heart, and Emily's shape is a square.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
For the eggs that are a little tight and are having trouble staying closed by themselves, I'm just adding a little bit of tape to make sure no surprises pop out and they are locked in nice and tight.
I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark,
you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you. Next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you,
I am folding an origami crane out of these $2 bills. $2 bills are really cool and unique on their own, and then to fold it into an origami crane, I just thought would be so fun. I hope my kids like it as much as I do.
No telling where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Today's video brought you a little bit of inspiration and joy. If you liked today's video, make sure to leave me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. I definitely appreciate every like. I make videos about homemaking, decorating, DIY and craft projects, and seasonal recipes. I love homemaking, and when I can, I like to do extra little special things, whatever that may be, to make my family feel loved and appreciated. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. I can't wait to hang out with you again. Definitely before you leave today, check out some of my other Easter videos on my channel. I will link them in the description below. I did a whole house Easter clean and decorate with me, and I made an Easter snack station, which was really fun. Thanks for watching, and happy Easter.